guys, Dash delay guys, how are you? So today I'm going to DNB inspection. So actually I already late for like 1 weeks. You know, I couldn't go because a lot of dangers, you know, because of the pandemic, COVID-19. So now my car is parked here long time, like more than 1 month. You know, it looks like here the tire pressure is very low, so I'm gonna check before I move the car. So I have here one tool here. So this is the tool, this device, you know, you can check your tire, which tire is a little bit low the pressure. So make sure you need to put on the PSI. Okay, I'm gonna check my tire one by one. Okay guys, this is very important. So you can buy it. You see this the jump cable. So I will link below. Description, so you can buy from there. And I have one tool here. So this is the machine. So everybody who you are driving, you must need this one. This machine is very good for the tire compressor. This is a tire compressor. So indicator here. This is very powerful. It's about 35 bucks. I have this long time, so I always keep it in my car. So now I'm gonna go to outside, check my tires. Okay, I'm gonna check this tire. You know, once you park the car long time without moving, it's gonna happen like this. Okay, this is 28. This is 28. I'm gonna check this one. Looks like this is okay. So you never know which one. Oh yeah, this is 37. Actually this is too much. Yeah, this looks like very low. Let me check. Oh shit, this is the worst one. Oh, this is the 40. No, this is too much. The power I plugged with my car here. That's it. Alright, 36. Perfect. Make sure you need to put the cap, because if you don't put the cap, so a lot of dust go inside and it's gonna damage your sensor. So it has sensor inside. If you damage that, then you're not gonna get the notification in your car. This is the pump here. This is the machine here. This is the cap. So make sure you need to keep this one all time in your car. Jump wire. That is the sun protector. So I will show you guys more in next time. Alright. Tanang didi drop chikan royo, UPS royo. Didi ngiti machine that is njere. Jezo kiranzo morana nga shasha na paya gore morana ijimi gore jezo. So always you need to keep this one in your car. So now I'm gonna go to drop this one to the UPS. Then I have to go to the inspection. You see now that sun is gone, right? The sign is completely gone. It's now no more. In case your sensor is damaged, then it's not gonna show here, even though you have good tire and a good pressure. it's not gonna show here. So make sure you're gonna use the cap. Okay, before you go to the on the street, I'm gonna show you very important things. Okay guys, it's very important lessons here. So before you drive the car, and make sure you wanna adjust your mirror and your seat, and make sure you have your driver license and insurance, all the documents. Okay, driver license and the insurance, make sure you have that before you go. And easy pass if you need to go to a little bit far. All right, it's very important. Make sure you need to check your mirror. So my car is driven by my friends for 2 years, so he give me back my car, so that's why I need to adjust it. You see, it's very bad now. Mirror is very bad. You see my car's body, right? So it's incorrect. So correct way is you need to see the like this. You don't want to see your car's body, all right? And you need to see the other side like this. On the right side and the left side, same thing. So if you put like this, many of people that put the mirror like that, it's incorrect. That's why many people get accident. Okay, this is incorrect, and you make sure you need to adjust this way. Okay, this is very good. And the other side is the same thing. You see, now it's too high actually. The driver side, same thing, this much. Okay, a lot of garbage now that didn't pick up because the pandemic. All right, it's good to go now. And also you need to check all the lights. Make sure all the lights are working. And always drive, be careful. Okay, you see one car, this guy is very dangerous. You see I'm coming, right? He's still driving, because in this case actually his fault, because I am coming. You have to send the upcoming traffic first, because you are turning, right? Because that's your. You see now this guy tried to U-turn. You see, by the law of the traffic, so upcoming traffic is very important and more right. You have to send the upcoming traffic first, because you are turning. You are not going straight. So that's why. I find the parking first. I need to drop the $1 to the USB. A lot of people line, you see, but I have an express easy pass. 1 2 3 boom. Okay, thanks God I have a prepay. You know, that's why I can drop off my box very quick, otherwise I need to wait there. So thanks God. A lot of people on the line. A lot of people are watching to me. They're thinking, oh my God, this crazy guy, where is going? Now my one job is done, so my second job is gonna be, you see this guy want to U-turn, so very be careful. If you see like that, very be carefully. And also you don't want to put the brake very fast before you watching the mirror of your back mirror. Okay, don't brake very fast every time. That's the most danger. So now I'm gonna make a right turn. So before you make a right turn, you need to put the signal, make sure, otherwise the cops is everywhere. So especially in the New York City. So to driving in New York City is not easily, okay? It's very hard. Now I have to make a right turn. You have to stay in the right lane, and I put the signal. And in New York City, especially New York City, driving is the most difficulties. It's very hard, because you know a lot of police and a lot of rule, a lot of very strict rules. So that's the purpose. So if you have been driving in the New York City like 3 years and 5 years, what do you think? You think you are a professional? Let's say you're driving like 8 years. You think you are a professional? So what's your answer? I want to know a little bit. Okay, now I make a right turn. You need to stay in the middle line if you want to driving all the way. And many of you guys know actually, but I'm still telling to the who are a little bit new driver. That's why. And this is Queens Boulevard, and the cops is always over there. I mean after the bridge. It's very big gap. We need to drive on the speed limit. So city limit is 25 right now. 25 miles per hour. So before, like 3 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, it was 35 miles per hour. So now they changed to the 25 miles per hour. So they're thinking, a lot of people accident. That's why I think. And especially this is very it's merging, the traffic merging from the right side, sometimes the merging from the left side. So you have to very be careful. You see now the red light, right? And after 1 second it's gonna be green light. You wanna drive, don't drive, and you need to watch on the right side and the left side before you drive. You never know. You don't believe. All I want to say is don't believe this light, okay? So that's all I want to tell you. Don't trust nobody. You see, this guy is not driving. You see, he's a very smart guy. It's not gonna happen every day, but one day happen. You know what I mean? So that's why it's the best way. Best way is you need to be careful every time. And this is Queens Boulevard, and there is a lot of camera, speeding camera, and the red light camera. Always be careful. And if you are old driver, I mean, if you are familiar with the area, and you know that if you are new and you come to driving to New York City, and you're gonna get a ticket, you need to be careful. And my experience, a lot of New Jersey drivers and Connecticut drivers, they come to New York City, and some of them are familiar with the area, but some are new. They're thinking, oh, okay, New York City is no problem. Okay, I can drive. I know how to drive. You know what I mean? They drive fast. They think they are tough. So they're gonna, when they go back, they bring a bunch of tickets. They take home like a lot of tickets. That's it. That's what I see. So I'm gonna make a left turn. You see, before I make a left, you need to put the signal, okay? But don't go even though you put the signal. So it doesn't mean that I put the signal and I go, not like that. You need to watch it. Still you need to watch it, okay? Even though you put the signal. And don't stay very close. You see, I have now about like 6 feet or 7 feet. What happened is in case somebody, you see, many of drivers, not all drivers, they don't recommend that. You know why? Because in case somebody hit to your back, sometimes they're sleeping, okay? Sometimes they're texting, calling. That's why they hit to your bumper, back of your car. Then your car is gonna be hit to your front car. So that's the purpose. Oh, you see this truck cross the red light. You see? So this is 70th Street and Queens Boulevard, and 70th Street, it has a red light camera. Maybe you can see it right now. You see? Okay. Okay, now it's okay. That white car is smart and he knows this area. He stopped.